think that was it. No? That was legit. Look at that.
That looks so cool looking.
I know, I love those fireworks.
Are you setting off anymore? Come on, Heber, you can do it. More. 2, 3, 4.
Do it again. Listen, I think it's over.
Maybe they just need time to be filled with it.
To what?
To be filled. I'm afraid to not stop pressing record.
I think it's done.
Is it?
Yeah. This hasn't been.
But what if it's not? What if you're wrong?
But think of this, Mr. President. What if we are wrong and we leave? Transformers 2.
You know I'm recording, right?
Oh. Have you seen Transformers 2? Oh.
Oh, wow. Not bad.